Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of PlugPower Inc., ticker symbol PLUG. As of December 19, 2025, PLUG is trading at $2.19. In this video, we'll break down the latest technical indicators, trend signals, and what they mean for investors. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding these signals is crucial for making informed decisions. Let's begin by setting the stage with a quick overview of PLUG's current market position and why technical analysis matters for this stock. PLUG is currently in a short-term consolidation phase after experiencing a significant decline. The stock price sits at $2.19, reflecting a period of stabilization but with an overall bearish tone. Most major moving averages are above the current price, which signals a weak technical setup. The technical score is low, indicating that the stock is not in a strong position for a bullish move. This summary sets the tone for our deeper dive into the technicals. Let's look at the short-term trend. PLUG is trading near its 5-day and 10-day simple moving averages, which are $2.23 and $2.24 respectively. This proximity suggests a lack of clear short-term direction. The price is neither breaking out nor breaking down, indicating that traders are waiting for a decisive move. This phase often precedes a larger price movement, so it's important to watch for any breakout or breakdown from this range. Moving to the medium-term trend, PLUG is trading below its 20-day, 50-day, and 100-day simple moving averages. These are $2.15, $2.56, and $2.27 respectively. This confirms a medium-term downtrend as the price remains under these key averages. When a stock trades below its medium-term averages, it typically signals continued weakness and a lack of buying momentum. In the long-term view, PLUG is trading significantly below its 200-day simple moving average, which stands at $2.07. This is a strong indicator of a persistent bearish trend. When a stock remains under its 200-day average, it often means that long-term investors are not confident in a reversal anytime soon. This long-term weakness is a key factor for cautious investors. The Average Directional Index, or ADX, is a tool used to measure the strength of a trend. For PLUG, the ADX14 is at 22.19, which is considered weak. Additionally, the Negative Directional Indicator, DI, is higher than the Positive Directional Indicator, plus DI, confirming the bearish bias. This means that while there is a trend, it's not particularly strong and the sellers are in control. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a popular momentum indicator. For PLUG, the RSI 14 is at 46.3, which places it in the neutral zone. This means the stock is neither overbought nor oversold at the moment. Traders often look for RSI readings below 30 for oversold conditions or above 70 for overbought, but PLUG is right in the middle, suggesting no immediate reversal signal. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, is another key momentum indicator. For PLUG, the MACD is negative at and is below its signal line, which is at. This generates a bearish signal, and the histogram is also negative. These factors together suggest that downward momentum is still present in the stock. The Stochastic Oscillator is another momentum tool. For PLUG, the %K is at 37.82 and %D is at 28.83, both within the neutral range. This means there is no clear buy or sell signal from the stochastic at this time. Traders often look for values above 80 or below 20 for actionable signals, but PLUG is currently in the middle. The Average True Range, or ATR, measures volatility. For PLUG, the ATR 14 is 0.148, which indicates moderate volatility. This means that while there is some movement in the stock, it is not experiencing extreme price swings. Moderate volatility can be attractive to some traders who prefer less risk. Bollinger Bands are used to measure volatility and potential support or resistance. PLUG is currently trading between the middle band at $2.23 and the lower band at $1.89. The bands are relatively narrow, which suggests a period of lower volatility. The lower band may act as support if the price continues to decline. Volume is a key indicator of market interest. For PLUG, the recent trading volume is not significantly different from the average volume. This suggests that there is no unusual buying or selling activity at the moment, and the market is in a wait-and-see mode. The On-Balance Volume, or OBV, is a cumulative indicator that measures buying and selling pressure. For PLUG, the OBV is currently decreasing, which indicates that selling pressure has been dominant. This is another bearish signal as it shows that more shares are being sold than bought over time. The Money Flow Index, or MFI, combines price and volume to measure buying and selling pressure. PLUG's MFI is at 50.72, which is neutral. This suggests a balance between buyers and sellers with no clear dominance from either side at the moment. Support levels are key price points where a stock may find buying interest. For Plug, the immediate support is at the 52-week low of $1.50. If the price falls to this level, it may attract buyers looking for a bargain, but if it breaks below, further declines could follow. Resistance levels are price points where selling pressure may increase. For Plug, key resistance levels are at the 20-day SMA $2.15, $50 day SMA $2.56, and the 52-week high of $4.20. Breaking above these levels would be necessary for a bullish reversal. Plug's 52-week range is from $1.50 to $4.20. The current price is much closer to the low end of this range, at just 25.56% of the way from the bottom. This highlights the stock's recent struggles and the distance it would need to recover to reach previous highs. The daily return for Plug is currently 0%. This means there has been no significant price movement on the most recent trading day. While this can sometimes indicate stability, it may also reflect a lack of interest or indecision among traders. Plug's overall technical score is 20.72, which is considered bearish. This score is derived from a combination of trend, momentum, volatility, and volume indicators. A low score like this suggests that the technical outlook remains negative and caution is warranted. To recap, Plug is in a clear downtrend across short, medium, and long-term timeframes. The price remains below all major moving averages and momentum indicators are mostly negative or neutral. This combination points to a bearish environment for the stock. Despite the bearish setup, Plug is not currently oversold according to the RSI and MFI indicators. This means there is no strong technical reason to expect an immediate bounce or reversal. Investors should be patient and wait for clearer signals. For a bullish case to develop, investors should look for a confirmed reversal pattern or a break above key resistance levels. Until then, the technical outlook remains negative and any long positions would carry higher risk. Given the current technical setup, investors should exercise caution. The lack of strong buy signals and the dominance of bearish indicators mean that downside risk is still present. It's important to have a risk management plan in place. Technical analysis involves studying price charts, indicators, and patterns to forecast future price movements. It's a widely used approach in trading, especially for short-term decisions. Understanding these tools can help investors make more informed choices. Moving averages are one of the most common technical indicators. They smooth out price data to help identify trends over different timeframes. Short-term averages react quickly to price changes, while long-term averages provide a broader view of the trend. Momentum indicators like RSI, MACD, and stochastic oscillator help traders gauge the strength and direction of price movements. They can signal when a stock is overbought or oversold, or when momentum is shifting. Volatility indicators like ATR and Bollinger Bands measure how much a stock's price fluctuates. High volatility can mean bigger risks and rewards, while low volatility often signals a period of consolidation or indecision. Volume and money flow indicators such as OBV and MFI provide insight into the strength of buying or selling pressure. Rising volume on up days can confirm bullish moves, while declining OBV or neutral MFI can signal caution. Support and resistance are fundamental concepts in technical analysis. Support is a price level where buying interest may emerge, while resistance is where selling pressure could increase. Identifying these levels helps traders plan entries and exits. In summary, Plug's technical outlook is bearish. The stock is trading in a downtrend and remains below key resistance levels. While it is not currently oversold, there are no strong buy signals. Investors should exercise caution and wait for a confirmed reversal or a break above resistance before considering a long position.